So we start off today's video with this DIY mirror design. Now this one in particular is very popular on TikTok right now. We see it all the time. I always see this mirror done in white though. I would actually like to see it in like pink or mint green, a different color. But it is a very cool aesthetic and design idea. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design a Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some more DIY project ideas and reacting to them. So here we have someone doing the infamous disco-inspired mirror design. Now this is a very popular one as well. Looks like she's using cardboard here for the backing. I was thinking with the previous mirror you could also use cardboard for that. And the mirror actually has a pretty cool shape to it. So she used two cardboard pieces and then she's going over it with some foil to create some shape. And then going in with the modeling clay. And this is actually a pretty easy project. Or at least she's making it look easy so far. Now this in itself is just like the previous mirror. We just need to like paint it white. But then she just adds the disco mirrors over it. I love this idea. And you can get these stickers from Amazon, these mirror disc stickers. Very cool vibe. Oh, I love it. Look at that. So aesthetically pleasing. Easy DIY coffee table. Now, if you have to get out a saw to do this, I don't think it's easy. Just saying. I think it would be easier if you got like a cutting board that had the circle shape and just glued these pieces together. So she did the two plant pot hack where you put the plant pots together, you glue them, and then add the top. And then she's going in with some paint. I also think that the easiest way to make this would be to spray paint it versus paint, but that's just my personal opinion. And she goes with this nice nude neutral color for this. Oh, the stone paint. Oh, that's nice. I feel like that really elevates the look too, that stone paint. Very nice. Yeah, I like the neutral nude color versus the other one. The other one has more of like a rustic feel to it to me. Like an antique look. And then we have another DIY table design. Now this is really high end. I'm excited for this one. So she's got her Starbucks. She's at Home Depot shopping. Don't ever put like a glass piece on your wall. I did that when we first moved into our house, and I ended up putting a dent on our wall. So yeah, don't do that. Yeah, she did a great job with that table. Definitely couldn't have that in my house though. You guys know I have a 2-year-old and he would be running around, and yeah, that would not be a a good look. But if you don't have any kids, or if you have older kids, I think that would be a nice DIY to check out. Oh, a DIY rug. You haven't seen one of those in a while. So she's going with like this circle theme. So she bought 3 rugs. Obviously she's gonna cut these up. I like her overalls. Those are so cute. This looks like it would be a very hard project to do. I'm not even gonna lie. I would be worried about like the cutting and making sure that the lines are like perfect. You would definitely have to make sure that the measurements are exact. Oh, that came out amazing. Wow, she is so talented. Very cute. Alright, you guys, so I hope you enjoyed checking out these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to like the video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.